What is going on, guys? I'm Rose Drifts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually up at Knockhill racing circuit, that Escort Cosworth I showed you a couple of weeks ago. We're doing a bit of testing tonight, making sure everything's okay for the next race. And I apologise for this lighting, by the way, because, well, it's a beautiful day. And I would be outside doing this, but even though it's absolutely stunning, it's freezing cold. So yeah, we've got the GoPro in the car. Fuck's sake, can you see me? We've got the GoPro in the car. We're going to get a bit of footage for you, and I hope you enjoy it. If I don't talk much this video, that's because it's fucking cold and windy, and all the clips of me talking are ruined because of wind noise. Okay guys, so we're on our way home. We're actually almost home. So the car went great at Knockhill there. We had a little oil leak, whipped that back up, all sorted. What? That's what I thought. Fucking sheep. My dad's coming round for dinner, so I kinda need to shoot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.